Hi, hello, who are you? My name is Anna. Welcome back to my channel. We are jumping in here at it's not the first question in Blind 75, but it's the first one on this list, which is also conveniently the first LeetCode question you will see when you log in. It is question number 1, twosome. Now, I'm just going to be going in this order. I'm no other particular order whatsoever, so if you guys are interested in a specific one, I've starting to break them down by category. If you go to my LeetCode, you'll be able to see each solution and each category, etc. And in this video, I will be breaking down these solutions as well. So I want to show you guys, if you remember back to one of my first videos on YouTube on this channel, I had a submission for my Python solution and also a Rust solution, which I don't think I videotaped. But my solution was good for runtime, but not great for memory. Didn't love that, but I think I kind of know how I want to reapproach this. But my Rust solution did not hit the mark 50% on either. It was 34% on memory and 42% with runtime. So definitely some room for improvement. I am not, however, going to redo this Python solution right now. I am going to jump in and do the other answers, but I will link the video description down below for twosome in Python from July. But let's jump into this question and jump into the logic. Now, I'm not going to read the question out loud to you, but I will jump into the logic on what we're going to use. But the overall premise of this question is we're essentially finding two numbers in an array that sum up to a given target. So I'm using brute force, a brute force approach, which just checks every possible pair of numbers in an array to check to see if it equals the sum of the target. Now, this approach should fit this time complexity request down here, should, in theory, fit it, because it requires nested iterations, so, like, through that array. So I'm hoping that that will improve through all of my language answers. So to optimize this solution this time, I'm going to use a hash map to store all the numbers we've seen so far. So when we traverse an array, we're going to check to see if the complement of the current number, which is just target minus the current number, or for what you'll see in the solutions will just be target minus nums, exists in the hash map. And if it does, we're going to say that we found a solution and return the indices. Otherwise, we're going to add that to the current number and its index to the hash map. So I guess from here, I'm doing C++, PHP, and JavaScript. So maybe I'll jump in because C++ is already up, and Go. I'm doing Go too. Let's take a jumping off point just with C. Yeah. C is my hardest language, so if I can get through that, I'm going to have a great day. So I think I want to start this particular solution with an unordered map to store the elements. So in order to do that, just right off the rip here, I'm going to say unordered map, and then I'm going to have the integer, and num map. And then I'm going to go into a for if loop. So for int minus equal to, no, I equal to 0, then I is less than the num's size. And then we'll have I there. Then we'll go into the complement. My brain is not registering that for some reason. So this is where you're going to see that target minus the current number. and that's nums. And then now we're going to have the if num map find complement. And then we need to return the num map complement. Yeah, we need to return the map complement. And then we need num map nums with the integer and return, which means that there was, no solution found. Okay, let's run that real quick. Expected. Oh, easy fix, easy fix. I said nam, not num. Okay, I got to put this. Again, why C++ is not my best language, because I forget to do things. Oops. Oh! I'll take it. Let's submit it and see what we get. Oh! Oh! Okay. Memory is 6%. My plan has been thwarted. But my runtime, though, you guys, my runtime. That's a nice runtime. That's a nice runtime. Okay. You know what, though? I'm not even mad. I'm not even mad. So it was about the same as the Python solution, which I find to be very exciting. Very exciting. Okay. So let's go into PHP because it's right across the pond here. We're going to do the same thing with the num map. And we're going to make sure that we know it's an array. And we are going to do a for if loop again. So for I equaling 0, we then have I less than the count. Yeah. Nums. And what did I do? I did that on the other one. So then we're going to break into that complement. Listen, I'm just going to do it the same way, the same logic, because I'm not going to switch it up. That would skew my sorry, I'm trying to think of what I did on my last one. And then I did if, but here we're going to have to say if array key exists, then the complement and num map return array with the num map and complement and I, and then this is still up from the last one. if array key exists, complement. And then I think all I'll have to say here is num map nums I. What the heck? I don't know how I just did that. It's because I'm looking at my hands. Why am I like this? Why am I like this today? I said nums I. It's because I want to make sure I'm hitting the right keys, but then I'm not hitting them correctly anyway. Yeah. Okay, so we're doing that hash map approach from earlier with the indices of two numbers in the array that sum up the target value. Same sort of thing. So I'm just going to run it. I'm probably going to have issues because I know I have some more misspellings. Syntax error. Here we go. Unexpected variable. But I was expecting this. What? Oh, I need a comma. Because I need to separate that. My B. Okay, that's promising. Oh, we got 8%. Okay, so clearly this is probably not the best solution. I just don't want to, I committed to the bit and I don't want to uncommit to the bit. But at the same time, oh man, what would you guys do? Because I feel like I'm all right, well, I'm better at JavaScript, so hopefully I'm gonna do this right. Weep. Okay. Did I already do it in JavaScript? You guys, I think I already did it in JavaScript. So I don't know what just happened, but it cut out. So I'm going to run this test. Okay. Okay. $97, but 5%. Hey guys, so sorry, I didn't realize that my video cut out, so I was literally just in the middle of trying to edit this and it just cuts out. So instead of trying to go through everything again, I'm just going to go through and show you these results. And you guys didn't see any of me trying to code in Go, but it was my best one. And I'm kind of bummed that the video, I don't know what happened. I did something to OBS, I'm sure of it. I don't know what though. So I got 93% with runtime and 58% with memory, which is way better than the other ones. And this is that code there. The other ones I really did not hit the mark with. 97 in runtime, but 5% in memory. And this was my lowest memory out of all of them, aside from, I think, Rust. So PHP, again, 72 and 8. And this is that answer here. Oops. Move my little head out of the way. And then C++, you guys saw, and you saw that answer. Man, it's been a minute since I wrote in C++, though. I've been trying to do these, reviews or whatever, and it's rough. It's rough. Yeah, I think Rust... Oh, no, actually, Rust was pretty good. Just kidding. For some reason, I thought it was a 3. So JavaScript had the biggest gap between runtime and memory, but my best one out of all 6 of these languages, which you guys did not... I don't have a video of me with Rust. That was just something I was doing as a warm-up for something else. This was the best one. So this code, I liked it. I liked it. I definitely want to revisit those other ones. But I think this is a good start to Blind 75. It's kind of let me know where my strengths are right now. So again, sorry you guys didn't see the full thing. I'll make sure next time when I'm recording that I don't do anything weird. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any comments, questions, suggestions, corrections, we love corrections, feel free to drop them in the comment section down below. I'm here to learn and I'm here to grow. So again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.